It's Xbox time. Go! Alright, so we got a boxed controller today, and inside the controller is, ta-da! Look at that. Alright, so I have pre-checked this, and LB is not working. We got a bumper issue. We'll double check that quickly. Let's get this box out of the way. And we will bring in blue cable for a blue controller. Look at that. Right, we want you. And that is too big. Get out of the way. Move. Get out the way. Right. Plug it in. Alright. So all the analogs are okay on this. Wait for this. It's LB and RB that are kind of working. So I think the actual internal buttons need replacing on this. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully it will fix it. Because everything else is working. D-pad and everything. We're good to go on that. We might change these thumbsticks, but they just look a little bit dirty. They don't look damaged. So that's where we're going to start. Alright, let's get it open. Alright, it's time for Is It Gross or Is It Not? Actually, it's not that bad. I actually expected it to be a lot worse. That's a little bit dirt up here, but that's fine. Sweet. Alright, we'll take this off. Take the back off. Right, main question again. Has somebody already been in here? And the answer is yes. Yes, they have. Someone has already been in here. You can always tell because the solder joints here are all facing the same way. Whereas unopened ones, they all backwards. But yeah. Someone's been in here and someone's unsoldered these. Also, that solder is terrible, whoever did that. But we need to get here. So these are the buttons right here. The only other thing it could be is this is broken. If that is the case, then we're going to have to order a new one. But actually, let's check that first. Because we're going to have to take this off anyway. Is it broken? That's kind of concerning that they came off together. Why are you stuck? What the hell is happening? Has someone glued this? Because that should not come off together. This middle bit should come off. Where is my... Let's see if we can pop this. It might just be dirt, but oh, there we go. And yeah, we are clear. It's not broken, so this is fine. Which means it's probably more likely the buttons. What we will do is we'll take it out, plug it into the computer, and press the buttons on their own. What's the sync button? Are these damaged? No. So we're definitely good alright there. Let's get the rest of this out. I need my soldering iron. I just realised. Beep. Oh, we're waiting for that to heat up. Let's get them 2 screws undone. Soldering iron, you stinky. Right, let's still sort this stuff out. So, Fluxy Ducks time. Looks like solar. Alright, let's get these wires off. Boop. 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 Boop, stinky. Boop. There we go. Alright, wires are off. We are going to add some solder to them, just for ready when we put it back together. Always be organised. If you're organised, it's the best way. I don't know what I'm chatting about. If life gives you lemons, throw the lemons at someone's face. There you go. There's your life advice for the day. Boop, 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 and boop. Alright. This should now pop off. Yay, there we go. Let's have a quick look at the board. Looks okay. Would help if my camera would focus, but it is what it is. Yeah, we'll give this board a clean. We put it back together, but doesn't look. Camera, come on. Oh, focus. There we go. Looks relatively clean. Yeah. Right. Right, we don't need that bit anyway. Let's get the rest of this undone. You will have to excuse the shoddy camera work because I'm only using a webcam at the moment. That includes audio, so that's why the audio is probably shite. But we work with what we got, and that's how it works. Right, we are there. Okie dokie. Let's move the shell out of the way. Alright, so these are the two buttons we are focusing on. Oh, come on. Come on, camera. There we go. So these two here. So these two are the LB and the RB. This one is the sync button. So what we are going to do is we are going to key off. We're going to reconnect this in your own time, camera. There we go. Yeah, we're going to reconnect this back to this board, and then we're going to plug it in, and we're going to press the button. Well, we're going to press these buttons here to see if they are definitely the problem. They usually are, but you never know. So we want this. Ta-da! All right. So even like this, it should work. You'll see this light turn on. Ta-da! There we go. So if we now press this. Alright, so we are. Need a pointy thing. Pointy thing. Camera, can we focus? Camera, can we focus? Camera, can we focus? Apparently not. There we go. Alright, so we are going to be removing this for here and these for here. So these are the two connections for the buttons where we're going to be putting new ones in. And these are what are we going to be replacing them with. A little button. Alright. Gun's pretty much there. We're going to put some flux on and get these bad boys removed. I apparently took this with me. Doo-be-doo-be-doo. Ooh-be-doo. I wanna be like you. I wanna talk like you. I don't know the words are true. Let's get this one done. And this one done. We're gonna get this one done. And this one done too. Are we loose? Yes, we are. Alright. Soldering gun has blitzed for them. Get in. Go. Oh, there we go. Here we go. So, they should just pull out. Ta-da! One. Come on. Two. Alright. So these are the two old ones that we don't need anymore. So now we're going to put these ones in. And they should just slot right in. And then we'll solder them in and it should be good. As he says, struggling to get them in. Come on. There we go. That's one. And two. Two new buttons. So we'll get them soldered in. We'll put the other board back on, make sure they're working, and then we'll get back to the cleaning process. because that's the best bit, obviously. Making it look new. Flux, 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 flux. Flux, 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 flux. Alright, let's get these soldered in. Do, do, do. Don't join. Of course you're going to join, aren't you? It's like, oh, ha, ha, I want my friend. We'll sort that out in a minute. Let's get this one on. There we go. Right. Give it a clean. I wanna walk like you. Right, we're gonna give this a clean because that's looking a bit nasty. Nasty. Oh, get off my finger. Do. Wipe that off. Give it a bit of a pet. And a pet. Right. As you can see, we now have... Oh, there we go. Yeah. I think I need to put a bit more solder on this one. So we're going to do that now quickly. It's kind of hard trying to get the camera angle and... There we go. You should see. Come on. Hey. There we go. That filled in nicely. So what we're going to do now is connect this board. Reconnect it to the computer, and we should have working buttons. Comes on. Alright, let me get up. Alright, she's back together. And she's nice and clean. Look at the shine on that bad boy. All nice and clean. Oh, there's a hair there. Get rid of that. No one wants that. A bit scratched up at the top, but it's alright. Now, main thing is, how are these working? Let's plug it in and find out. And then, we should be good. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ta-da! Hey, look at that. Super responsive. Back to working. Everything's working. Joy-Cons. Yep. So this controller is completely fixed. All it needed was 2 new internal buttons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Next time we're probably going to be working on this. And we're going to be moving the motherboard from this into this. Yeah. Alright, bye.
Wow.